Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. This is J.impact TV, a channel where you get all about construction and design, all about poultry farming, all about business and entrepreneurship. So in this channel you're welcome. If you're new here, kindly subscribe, like, comment, and even share this video to your friends and family. Also, if you are returning subscriber, welcome back, and let's continue to do this. Kindly thumbs up this video. So in the last episode, I showed you the perimeter wall that we were starting, and in this video I just want to show you the whole process since we started this perimeter wall and until we finished it. So as you can see in this video, these are the reinforcement bars. As you know, even as you start to design, to build the perimeter, first things first, you need a design of what you need. You get. So after you get the design, what you need to do is to measure the perimeter like what we did, and make sure that all the materials that you are needed are on the site. And after that, then you're going to get to start the work. And now, without much ado, let's go straight to the work. So in this case, we purchased all the materials, and you saw that in the last episode. And in this episode I'm going to show you. So like you can see, those are reinforcement rings. The rings are used in the columns, and those others are the reinforcement for the columns. The one that you can see right now are the reinforcement bars for the bases of those columns. So in this case, we are using D12 as the base, for the bases and for the columns, but we used D8 as the rings, or as the links of the columns. You can see all you need is the reinforcement bars D8 and D12, and also you need the binding wire, like you can see it there, just prepared. And then the process is so simple. After you finish cutting them to the required sizes, then you tie them using the binding wire. You can see everything got tied very well, and we finished that. And now that's the final product. And you see at the bases we have the hooks for them. We concreted, we did the blinding, and also we did the concreting of the bases. So foundation was concreted, and that was all for the day. Like you can see, we spaced those columns at intervals of 11 feet, and there is a corner there. So that is how the plot looks like. So, and we are ready for the next day to start the foundation walling. So you will only need on the second day, it's on, and then we did the foundation walling. Like you can see on the foundation walling, you need these hard rocks or hard stones. These are the foundation stones that I explained to you in the prior video. And you see, you have to put levels. First thing is to put levels to get your levels correct. After you get your levels correct, then you are able to set all the other perimeter works. Like you can see, we did the foundation walling, and it was above the ground level. Okay, for this particular perimeter, this place, it was the foundation is very near, was very near. If you noticed, this is because the rock strata, or the condition of this soil, is very hard. Like you can see, it's moram. What you can see on the upper side, it's moram. So we only did 1 foot down. That is to set the base and to set the base. That simply shows or explains that question that you have, why this particular footing did not go down as you see. Yeah, that's said and done. Then after every 2 courses, like you have to put either a hoop wire or hoop iron or barbed wire. Like you can see, this is to prevent the impact of any particular crack that may arise from anywhere, and also it helps in bounding and making the structure one, and then making the walling as one. Yeah, so like you can see also you use mortar in the ratio 1 portion of cement to 3 ratios of sand. So like you can see, that was the second day. The first day we did up to that level, so the second day we started on the machine cut stones. We made sure that there are 2 courses of foundation wall above the ground. Yeah, and so this is the machine cut stones, as you can see, very well, perfectly done. Where you see us left those that gap, that is where we intended to put our gate. Yeah, and that was very good work for that very day. It's very easy to work on the machine cut stones or the ndarugo. Okay, this side that you can see, it's the inner side where it could where it was not the plumbing side. The plumbing side was on the outer side, so that's why you see the inner side. Though this side is going to be plastered, yeah, after we finished working on it. And we did 11 courses, like you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 6. As of that day, we had done 6 particular courses on the of ndarugo stones or of machine cut stones. Like you can see, it was a process, day after day, one day at a time. All we needed, we did this with 2 masons. Yeah, 2 masons, and we also did this with 2 casuals who were helping the masons do the work for a particular period of only, was it 1 week? Yeah, I guess 1 week, for only 1 week since inception, or since we started. So after everything was done correctly, after we confirmed the levels, after we confirmed that the perimeter wall is now okay, and the particular size that was needed is the particular height that was needed is okay. Now we now started on working on the formworks, whereas we nailed the formworks and we set the formworks, so that in the intention of concreting these particular columns. In other cases, it's not a must that you use the concrete columns. You can also use masonry columns. I hope you know how masonry columns are done. Yeah, your funders will do that for you. Okay, as you can see, we used some steps or some ladders to be able to work on the walling of the upper side, or at greater heights. That is what people use as scaffolds in other construction sites. So this is just a platform where it gives access to work on the upper courses of the works. Yeah, so that was the very particular work. And let me tell you, this particular walling length was 110 feet, 110 feet. That translates to almost 16 meters. Is it 16? Yeah, almost 16 meters. So the advantage of this guy was that 2 of his perimeter walls were done by the neighbors, and he only had 2 two sides to work on. And now this is when the formworks are being taken, yes, and concreting was done, and that was the end. If you have your own you want us to, kindly contact us, contact J.impact agencies as your design and build contractor. So thank you for watching. Kindly consider liking, subscribing, and even sharing this video with your friends and family. So next time we shall do stay around for some bill of quantities. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.